Did you know that after the age of 30, our body naturally start producing more inflammation and the signs of aging start creeping in? But here's the good news. You can slow down this process and even reverse some of the effects of inflammation and aging on your body. Today, I'm going to share with you three superfoods that fight inflammation and reverse aging, keeping you healthy and feeling the best. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta. I'm a board certified family physician with advanced training in functional medicine and integrative medicine. Aging gracefully doesn't have to be a mystery, and inflammation, root cause of all chronic diseases, can be controlled with right foods. And today I'm going to share with you three superfoods which research shows have highest anti-inflammatory properties and also reverse aging. So if you are above 30, then you need to incorporate these superfoods on the daily basis in your diet so you can prevent and also treat several diseases that you have. So let me share with you these three superfoods and above all, what is the right way of eating them so you get the maximum benefit for your health. The number one food on this list is avocados, the healthy fat hero. Avocados are a powerhouse food which has several anti-aging benefits and antioxidant benefits that help to reduce inflammation also. The biggest advantage of avocados is that they are high in something called omega-7 fatty acids. Most of the people are focused on omega-3s, but now the new research shows, especially for anti-aging and anti-inflammatory benefits, omega-7 fatty acids are the key. The benefit of omega-7 fatty acid is that it naturally boosts the production of collagen, which maintains skin elasticity as well as reduces wrinkles. Along with that, they play a significant role in reducing inflammation in your body, especially in your skin tissues. And plus, they improves your skin hydration also, and that causes the glow in the skin. So that's the reason avocados being high in these omega-7 fatty acids is a superfood for your body. The second benefit of avocados is that they are really very high in antioxidant compounds like glutathione, like vitamin C, as well as vitamin E. All of these three antioxidants help your body reduce inflammation as well as get rid of reactive oxygen species. These reactive oxygen species actually causes damage to your DNA, to your skin, as well as causes too much inflammation in the body. And avocados being high in these three antioxidants reduces inflammation drastically in your body. So that's the reason avocados is the first superfood on this list. What is the best way of consuming these avocados? I like to pair my avocados with some citrus fruit like either a lemon, lime or even bell pepper. The reason being these citrus fruits are very high in vitamin C and combined with all the other antioxidants and good fatty acids in avocados, this become even much more nutritious and a bigger superfood for you. The second food on this list is turmeric. Turmeric is also known as the golden spice and it has been world renowned for its anti-aging properties. The active compound in turmeric is curcumin, which offers wide range of antioxidant, anti-inflammatory as well as detoxifying properties. Curcumin has powerful anti-inflammatory properties which reduces redness, puffiness as well as inflammation in your skin. It is also really good for your muscle and joints and reduces inflammation drastically in those areas also. A major problem as we age is the accumulation of toxins in our body, and turmeric is a powerful detoxifier agent because it supports your liver health and helps the liver to eliminate all the stored toxins from your body. Also, as we age, especially after the age of 30, our basal metabolic rate goes down. That causes difficulty in losing weight and a lot of people will gain weight. Turmeric is a basic metabolic enhancer. It improves your basic metabolic rate and helps you to lose that excessive fat that is accumulating around your abdomen area. That's the reason turmeric is a second superfood that you need to consume on the daily basis. Most people have this question, how to consume this turmeric on the right way? So here's the way to do it. The best way to have turmeric daily in your diet is by making the golden milk. The way to make this golden milk is that instead of the regular dairy, you need to have a dairy-free milk, which is either almond milk or coconut milk. And in this, you need to add at least 1 teaspoon of turmeric to this warm almond or coconut milk. And along with that, make sure you are adding ground black pepper. Black pepper enhances the absorption of turmeric from your gut. And the good fats in coconut milk and almond milk not only improves the absorption of curcumin but also improves its anti-aging benefits. So this is the best way of consuming turmeric on the daily basis. The third food on this list is chia seeds. Chia seeds have several anti-inflammatory and anti-aging benefits because it is so nutritious to your body and offers various kinds of benefits. The first benefit of chia seed is that they are very high in omega-3 fatty acids called ALA, which reduces inflammation in the body, especially on your skin. So it promotes skin hydration, it improves the skin elasticity and reduces the sign of aging, especially on your skin. Chia seeds are excellent source of fiber. This soluble and insoluble fiber in chia seeds helps support your gut microbiome. It is known in research studies that as we age, our good bacteria in the gut starts dying. And chia seeds promote the growth of good bacteria in our gut that in turn reduces inflammation in the body as well as improves the cognition ability of your body. And chia seeds, by improving the good bacteria in your gut, not only reduces inflammation in the body but supports your overall health as well as anti-aging benefits. Chia seeds are high in different vitamins and minerals, especially zinc, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, which are all minerals needed when we start aging after the age of 30. So that's the reason chia seed is a superfood. But here's a caution, you need to know the right way of using the chia seeds. The reason being, chia seeds are high in lectin compounds and it is very important to lower these lectins. The best way to lower these lectins is by soaking these chia seeds overnight. So a minimum of 2 tablespoons of chia seeds you soak overnight and then you consume these soaked chia seeds in the morning. That way you are getting all the benefits of chia seeds as well as not getting the negative side effects of lectins. So these are the 3 superfoods if you consume on the regular basis will help you to reduce inflammation and also reverse aging process. So the best way is that as soon as you wake up in the morning, you have your soaked chia seeds. After that, for your breakfast, you can have an avocado toast. And then either in the afternoon or in the evening, you can have the golden turmeric milk. So here you go. Now you know exactly how to consume them on the regular basis to give you the maximum benefit. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel as well as share this great information with other people who can benefit from it. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.